was browsing YouTube, I came across a tutorial for handmade soap, and I clicked on it not knowing what to expect at all, but I was immediately interested in it because it appealed to my food science background and also my artistic side. And I didn't know that soap could look that good, with different colors and designs. So I was immediately hooked on it. Yes, a lot of our ingredients are locally sourced and plant-based as well. The major ones that we use are coconut oil because it's a gentle cleanser, and castor oil and cocoa butter. These provide your skin with a lot of moisture and they help it become more soft and supple after you use our soap. Back in 2018, the first product that we posted online and officially sold was our peppermint body soap, which to this day is a mainstay in our product line. One of our bestsellers is our activated charcoal facial soap because it's a multitasker. You can use it on your face if you're suffering from acne breakouts, and you can also use it on your body. Among our body soaps, our bestsellers are peppermint and lavender. The thing that I really love about soap making is that it's art that you can use every day. It doesn't just look good, it also has a practical use. And with the COVID-19 pandemic going on, it has become something essential for people to help protect themselves against the virus. So it looks good and also has a purpose.